Make a great choice today with the 2024 Edge. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 800 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, electronic stability control, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels. Inside you'll find backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, premium sound system. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.